Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issues 85 and 86 of Build the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old friends at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this 1/6 scale Ford Mustang. So let's have a scoot through the magazines and see what we're putting together today. This is the Shelby story, as you can see there. Rather sexy looking, aren't they, nowadays? Looks right. I do like that colour. We're going to be doing the rear part of the radiator. So what would have been issue 85 would have literally just been, look at these two parts, folks. And yeah, it's a bit boring, that, isn't it? So that's what you would have been left with at the end of issue 85. American presidential limousines there. The Lincoln Continental that was famously in the Kennedy assassination, folks. Open top car. Yeah, don't see them now, do you, with presidents in. This is the Beast, or Car Force One, car that was used by Barack Obama in the photograph that was taken in 09. Look at that. Absolutely huge, isn't it, folks? But yeah, the technology in that. This was Emerson Fittipaldi, the IndyCar years, good old Emo. Yeah. Legendary competitions there. It's just basically talking about all the Indy 500s and things like that. Give them a read, folks. The iconic Lotus there. Unbelievable car. That was the 72D John Player Special. I remember that car. It's clear as day. But yeah. Emerson in car number 2 struggles to catch the eventual race winner Jacques Villeneuve during the 95 PPG IndyCar World Series. So that's that magazine done. We then got issue 86. This was the Trail XB12 motorcycle. Absolutely beautiful looking bike, I must admit. I do like my bikes. Then also we have got the radiator, the shroud and the fan to put together on this one. Just to give us a bit more to do today. There's the fan there with the, what's his name, viscous coupling on the back there. Going on to the back of the radiator there. And then that's what we're going to be left with at the end today, folks, okay? Ford Sierra Cosworth 4x4, which was bought out too late to win. Yeah, it didn't really look great, did they, as a rally car? So yeah, there you go. Developed in Spain, different colours. Josep Maria Bardolet, the driver who developed the Sierra Cosworth 4x4 in Spain. There you go. So that's the magazines done. We'll put them to one side. We'll come back. We'll lay all our parts out and we'll do a bit of assembly, peeps. Okay. All right, folks. There's our rear mesh that goes on the radiator there. Got a little hole there, and this is slightly off centre, this hole, as you can see. It's more towards the bottom how I've got it orientated at the moment. So lay the mesh over like so. Just double check to make sure the hole is correct. Like that. That's how you want it, folks, okay? We then are going to be placing the viscous coupling on the fan. Now that's got 4 little prongs poking on it, and this has got 4 little recessed holes. So give that a turny pop. Press it together like so to engage that in situ, like that. And then you've got a hole on the back there. This then engages inside there, and we'll be putting a screw in the back. I've already pre-oiled it. that. That then puts the fan in the back. Let's back it off a tad. Give that another turn, just in case you want to put your hand in there and show people that the fan turns. And then we'll just rest our shroud in place. And you've got a little peg on there, if you see it, just up in there. That engages in this little hole on the side, just like so. Now, it's a loose fit at the moment because we've got other parts to go on this, folks, okay? But that's the beginnings of the radiator and its shroud, folks, okay? So that's where we're at today, okay? So don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, folks, head over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this beautiful Shelby GT500, folks. Also, to help me out, if you can give a little fester a click in the corner there and subscribe to the channel, it's free. Helps me grow the channel, keeps it alive, folks. And I really do appreciate every single subscriber. Also, ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming future content. Until then, stay safe and well. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.